Hey everybody, it's Nadia here. Just want to share with you some of the cool things you can expect from this channel. Make sure to hit subscribe and the bell so that you receive notifications when new videos come out. This is your coach Nadia, and I will see you soon.